To curl your hair with a curling iron, first brush your hair to remove any kinks or knots. Then spray your hair with hairspray, which helps the curls hold better. Plug in a curling iron and set it to low heat. Grab a small section of your hair and pinch it between the curling iron near the roots. Next, rotate the barrel around your hair and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Release the clamp and let the curl fall. Repeat this process on each section of your hair that you want to curl. To curl your hair without a curling iron, first wet your hair and blot it lightly to remove excess water. Then brush or comb your hair to remove knots and kinks. Grab a section of hair and twist it so that it curls around itself. Twist the curled hair into a small loop and tie it in the middle with a rubber band. Repeat this process for each section of your hair that you want to curl. Finally, let your hair dry overnight and undo the rubber bands for a curly head of hair.